So I've been having this glitch with Clip Studio Paint. Yeah, I flick a single flick can ruin an entire thing. Just fill it with stuff. No matter how many times I try to, I just flick it. If you flick your cursor wrong, it fills the whole screen. And it's just really weird. Some really odd behavior. No matter how many times you try to reset, it's still there. Just one wrong flick and it's all black. Every last bit of it. And I only recently figured out how to replicate it. I was working on something. And I have no clue why this happens. This is just... Yeah, this is something Clip Studio needs to fix.